In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Google Ads conversion tracking to your Wix website step by step. This is a crucial setup if you're running Google Ads and want to track leads, purchases, or important actions accurately. Without proper conversion tracking, you're basically guessing what's working and what's not. By the end of this video, you'll have Google Ads tracking connected correctly inside Wix, so you can optimize your ads with confidence. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software and marketing tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to wix.com, then log in to the Wix account that manages your website. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Wix dashboard, where you can manage all your sites and settings. Make sure you're selecting the correct site if you manage more than one, because the tracking will be added to whichever site is active in your dashboard. Next, from the main dashboard screen, look at the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Wix keeps all of the site-wide configuration options, including integrations, tracking tools, and marketing features. Once the settings page loads, scroll until you find the section labeled Marketing Integrations and click on it. This section is specifically designed for connecting third-party marketing and analytics tools like Google. Inside Marketing Integrations, locate Google Tag and click on it. Google Tag is the official way Wix allows you to connect Google services like Google Ads and Google Analytics without manually editing code. When the Google Tag page opens, you'll see an option to connect your account. Go ahead and click on Connect. Wix will now prompt you to sign in with your Google account, so make sure you use the same Google account that manages your Google Ads. After signing in, Wix will ask for permission to connect to your Google services. Review the permissions carefully, then allow access so Wix can place the necessary tracking tags on your site. Once connected, Wix will automatically handle the base Google Tag installation across all pages of your website. Now, to complete conversion tracking, head over to your Google Ads account in a new tab. Inside Google Ads, go to Tools and Settings, then click on Conversions. Create a new conversion action and choose the type that matches your goal, such as purchases, form submissions, or page views. When asked for the setup method, select Google Tag. Since Wix is already connected, your conversion will automatically work with the installed tag. After saving your conversion action, return to Wix and make sure the Google Tag connection is still active. At this point, your conversion tracking is live. It's a good idea to test it by completing a test action on your site and checking Google Ads to confirm the conversion fires correctly. Keep in mind that it can take a few hours for conversions to start showing in your account. And that's it. You've successfully added Google Ads conversion tracking to your Wix website. This setup will help you measure real results, optimize your campaigns, and avoid wasting ad spend. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.